Hi everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to do probability from a two-way table. We're going to go through this question together. In a class of students, the following data table summarizes how many students play an instrument or sport. Our question asks, what is the probability that a student chosen randomly from the class does not play a sport? So, for those of you who don't remember, probability is the likelihood of an event. In order to figure out the probability, we need to figure out our totals. So, our totals here, if we add up how many students play a sport, we do 15 plus 3, and we get 18. For the students who do not play a sport, 4 plus 8 gets you to 12. And as you notice, I'm adding horizontally first, and then I'm going to add vertically. For the students who play an instrument, 15 plus 4 gets you to 19. 3 plus 8 gets you to 11. And if we add together, 19 plus 11 gets you to 30. Just like how 18 plus 12 gets you to 30. But we're not done yet, because we still have to figure out our probability. And probability is a fraction between 0 and 1. And the question asks, what is the probability that a student does not play a sport? All right? So, if we look at our does not play a sport, we know that the total number of students first of all, we have to set up our fraction. The total number of students who do not play a sport, if we do 4 plus 8, that gets you to 12. And 12 is our numerator. As far as our denominator is concerned, that is the total number of students in the class. And we figured out that our total is 30. So we figured out that our probability is 12 over 30. Now, if you were to simplify this, I know that both numbers, 12 and 30, are divisible by 6. So I can divide both sides of the equation both the numerator and the denominator, by 6. So I can simplify this to lowest terms. And if I were to divide, 12 divided by 6 is 2. 30 divided by 6 is 5. So our probability is 2 over 5. And say if this question asks for a percentage, we would have to convert 2 over 5 to what over 100. So if we do 2 over 5 equals x over 100, because we're trying to convert this into a percentage, like if the question asks what percent. So you can do cross multiply, or what I like to do is, I know that 5 times 20 gets me to 100. So I would multiply both the numerator by 20. So I know that 5 times 20 is 100, so I would, over here in the numerator, I would do 2 times 20, and then my percentage would be 40. That is just only if the question asks what percent. And make sure you read that carefully so you know what the question is asking you. Okay? All right, so we got a probability of 2 over 5 or 40%. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next video.